Welcome back. Tollywood hero Akkineni Nagarjuna may be part of IFFI's concluding ceremony. IFFI will pay homage to 7 Indian and 5 international film personalities. Similarly, 3 Indian and 3 international masters will hold masterclass this IFFI.
IFFI has been trying to get Bollywood and Tollywood together on one platform. Last year, King Khan Shah Rukh had inaugurated the IFFI and Singham of Tollywood Surya was part of IFFI concluding function. This year, Akshay Kumar will inaugurate and sources say that Tollywood hero Nagarjuna would witness the concluding function. Similarly, 3 Indian and 3 international masters will hold masterclass this IFFI.
एक नया एक सेक्शन जो हम लोगों ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है वो एक मास्टर्स का सेक्शन है। इंडियन में भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, फॉरेन में भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, जहाँ पे जो लिविंग मास्टर्स है, लिविंग फाल्के अवार्ड विनर्स है, जो फिल्म मेकर्स है, दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड विनर्स, फिल्म मेकर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, उनकी फिल्म हम लोग दर्शाएंगे और उनका अलग सा एक मास्टर क्लास होगा। वो श्याम बेनेगल जी जैसे इनको फाल्के अवार्ड मिला है, अडूर गोपालकृष्णन, के बालाचंदर, ये सारे हस्तियाँ यहाँ पे होंगे।
IFFI will celebrate 100 years of Indian cinema this year. 7 Indian and 5 international film personalities will be paid homage to on the occasion. Likewise, there will be screening of their films. Some of the film personalities include Rajesh Khanna, Yash Chopra, Vishwajit, Dara Singh, Dev Anand and T. Damodaran. Our senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaunkar.
All Goa Private Bus Owners Association has demanded a hike in bus fare. They claim that the overall rise in diesel price of 6 rupees per litre has forced them to increase the bus fare. They have demanded that minimum fare for first 3 kilometers should be increased from 5 rupees to 10 rupees. They have also demanded hike for subsequent kilometers.
आमचो धंदा हा आयज जो बसीचो धंदा हा तो फकत गोंयकारांनी ना, बाकीचे सगळे धंदे वेगवेगळे मनशा कडेन आहाय. हो एकच धंदा हा तो टिकोवन दवरपा लागून आमी सरकारा कडेन मागणी केल्ली आमकां ही तिकीट दरवाड करून दिवची म्हणून. पयली तिकीट दरवाड अशी आसली 3 किलोमिटरांक 5 रुपया. आयज आमी सरकारा कडेन मागला 5 किलोमिटरांक 10 रुपया आनी तेजी नंतरचे 10 किलोमिटरांक 80 पैसे आनी तेज नंतर 75 पैसे अशें आज आमी तिकीट दरवाड मागले कडेन आहा. आनी आमी मेमोरंडम डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्टा दिले कडेन आहा, सीएमाक दिले कडेन आहा.
They also claim that bus fare have been increased in Maharashtra and Karnataka following diesel price hike. Their other demands are modification in 50% concession scheme provided to students, permission for hoardings and advertisements on private buses, appointment of president on subsidy committee, restrictions on entry of long route buses into cities, appointment of member of the association on RTA, financial help for purchasing ATM ticketing machines, and increased subsidy amount for purchase of buses from 3,50,000 to 5 lakh rupees. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal has assured to sort out the confusion between hoteliers and taxi operators. The Tourism Department guidelines of 2010 confirming rates of tourist taxis and identities of the drivers will be sent to hotels from coastal belts by 23rd November. Agarwal also said that Transport Department has been asked to set a rate chart for tourist taxis.
South Goa District Collector N.D. Agarwal office was thronged with tourist taxi operators with their woes. Taxi operators complained about the illegal taxis operating and ingesting their income.
हांव येयलो फकत मुगे टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरान लागून कोस्टल बेल्टा म्हाका चड पडटा आनी हांव कर म्हाका इवन हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक सेमाक उलयतलो कित्याक कोस्टल बेल्टा जे अरेंजमेंट आहा ते टोटली डिफरंट जावपा जाय.
George Fernandez, spokesperson of Tourist Taxi Association, is worried about the seasonal illegal tourist taxis operating every year.
टूर ऑपरेटर येताले भाड वताले, प्रायवेट गाडी येताले भाड वताले आनी आमी फकत टॅक्स भरपाचें, नवी नवी गाडी घेवपाच्यो, बँका इन्स्टॉलमेंट फारीक करीत रावपाचें. So this was a regular thing and every season there was a problem.
South Goa District Collector N.D. Agarwal has assured a favourable and fair tourist season for taxi operators.
We will utilize the footage of CC camera of the hotel's lobby when the vehicles are going. There is a proof of the matter that they are operating the private vehicle as a taxi. In case of private vehicle, hire a rent car, Transport Department has been requested to fix the rate. I think till today the rate has not been fixed. That has to be displayed. We are going to again meet on 7th of December.
Collector will again meet hoteliers and taxi operators on 7 December to assess the situation. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Goa will get its Miss Goa 2012 on 17 November. 9 contestants are being shortlisted for the contest. Goa will host second edition of India Resort Fashion Week 2012 from 28th November to 2nd December.
Out of 167 contestants, 9 contestants have been shortlisted for Miss Goa 2012. It will be held on 17 November at Niue. The winner will get gold worth Rs 25,000 and a cash prize of Rs 15,000. The second edition of India Resort Fashion Week 2012, powered by Gitanjali Group, will be held at Kanore Beach from 28th November to 2nd of December. IFFI Asia's largest fashion festival will see fashion and music come together with a festival.
The objective of India Resort Fashion Week was to give, to provide a platform to Indian designers to showcase their resort wear collection in a place. Of course, it has to be Goa because I come from Goa, and this was my dream from my childhood. And which I thought that once given an opportunity and once we can create that kind of platform, we would like to bring all the top Indian designers together to showcase their collection in Goa. This is not only a fashion week which drives only the design part of it. It has a very strong concept attached to it where we would also like to promote a lot of local and Goan talent.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt, and video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.